Okay, like I said, we done 10-7 when we did 10-5 and 10-6. All right, so 10-8 is about an equation of a circle. A circle is a locus of points on a plane equal distance from a given point. It's equal distance from the given point. That given point is the center of the circle. And you can use this definition to write the equation of a circle. So just how we have equations of lines, we have equations of circles. Okay. The standard form for an equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. H and k represent the x and y of that circle, of the center of that circle, okay? Put your phone away. The H and K represent the center of the circle, okay? All right, so when you plug an in into the equation of a circle, the only letters that should change into numbers are H, K, and R. Those are the only ones you should plug into, okay? Just like, when we do y equals mx plus b, you still have a y and you still have an x in there. Same thing with the equation of a circle. You still have an x and a y. Do not replace the x and a y unless you're looking for something else, okay? But if you're writing the equation, only replace the h, k, and r. So let's do an example. Number 1 says write the equation of each circle. So my center is at 0 and 0, 0. So that means what's my h? 0, and what's my k? And what's my r? Okay, so all I'm doing is plugging into the formula. So the formula has parentheses, x minus h, but since h is 0, do I need to really write that? So really it's x squared plus y squared equals 64. Okay. And with it being no h and k, I didn't really need to put the parentheses. I really should have just wrote it x squared plus y squared equals 64. Okay. Okay, let's look at number 7. Okay, so the center is at 3, -4, and it passes through -1, -4. What is my h and k? 3 and -4. And then what's my radius? They didn't give me the radius. Is there a way I can figure out my radius? If this is the center and this is one of the points, remember it's going to be equal distance from every point. So that would be my radius. So I need to figure out how far this point is from this point. So what can I do to figure out how far they are from each other? Huh? Do what? They'll find a slope that won't tell me how far away they are from each other. I can use the distance formula, okay? I can use the distance formula or Pythagorean theorem, okay? So I use Pythagorean theorem. So for Pythagorean theorem, all I'm doing is comparing my x's. How far away is 3 from -1? 4 spaces away, so 4 squared. Plus how far away is -4 from -4? 0. So 0 squared equals x squared. So that means I'm going to have 16 equals x squared. And how I get rid of the squared? And the square root of 16 is... So that's my radius. Okay. That's my radius. So my radius equals 4. So now I can plug into the formula. So the formula says x minus, what's my h? 3 squared plus y minus, what's my 4? If I do minus -4, what happens? It'll become plus 4. Squared equals 4 squared, and that is 16. We don't get that deep into equations of circles, so it's real simple, pretty much. Okay, let's look at number 9. What's my h and k? -2, -1. What's my radius? 2. So I plug into my formula. X minus, what's my h? -2. So since it's minus a negative, it'll be +2 squared plus y minus, it'll become +1 squared equals 4. Okay, let's move to this side. Okay, for these, it says for each circle with the given equations, state the coordinates of the center and the center of the radius. In the measure of the radius, then graph the equation. So on number 1, what would be my center? 0, 0. And what would be my radius? 4, because I would do the square root of 16. Okay. So that means I'm going to start at 0, 0 for my center. And then I will go 4 in each direction. And you make you a circle. Okay, let's look at number 5. Write an equation of a circle that contains each set of points, then graph the circle. So I would graph the 3 points they gave me first. So -2, 2, -1, 1, -1, -1, 3. So you can kind of see how the circle is going to be made, right? What would be my center? -1, 2. So that's my h and my k. And so you know the other point will be here, right? What is my radius? 1. So then I would plug into my formula. So I have x plus 1 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 1. Okay. All right, that's it. All right, so you're going to finish this page and show it to me, and then you're going to do the other page. You remember right